Capco, a global business and technology consultancy, is hiring business analysts, freshers and experienced. Welcome. Role: Business Analyst. Location: Work from home plus Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Chennai. Eligibility: Any graduation, any stream. Excellent English communication with a decent accent. Basic knowledge of data analysis and licensure. Good at critical thinking, stakeholder engagement and requirement gathering. Skills like SQL, Python, data warehousing, data cleaning and visualization will add value. Your role includes communicating with stakeholders and developers, mapping business processes, documenting in Visio, using analytical thinking to solve real-world business problems, translating business needs to Jira user stories and epics. Freshers? You're welcome. Experience? Even better. Salary for freshers 3.9 lakhs per annum rupees CTC. How to apply? Scroll down and click on the apply link. Fill in your details. Double check and submit. Apply link in description below. Like, share, subscribe for more job updates every day. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.